Hi, I'm Mackenzie Sorich, founder of View Ridge Family Law and Estate Planning. And Zoom court is the new normal. I am seeing all sorts of participants showing up to Zoom court and even sometimes in person, not appearing at their best. Today, I'm going to give you a few tips about how to prepare for your court hearing and put your best foot forward in front of the judge. Allow yourself plenty of time for your court hearing and allow for it to run late. You do not want to rush this and be extra stressed about this event. If you are appearing on Zoom, make sure you're in a quiet, private space with good internet, even if you have to go to your car in order to get away from the office or your home for a moment. If you're going through a divorce, don't bring your new boyfriend or girlfriend to court. That's not going to be helpful. And if you have minor children involved in the case, don't bring them to court either. We want to insulate children from the court process. And then finally, if you have friends and family who want to come to court and support you, that's great, but they need to be quiet. If they're over Zoom, make sure they're on their own login, that they've named themselves as an observer, and that they're not giving you advice during the hearing because the court will not like that. Be prepared to speak about the facts. If you're represented by an attorney, they're going to argue the highlights of your case. And there's usually a limited amount of time, so they're not going to be able to get to every single detail. Don't be alarmed by that. If you are representing yourself, you need to be able to do the same argument as an attorney would do for you. So you need to be prepared with the facts and knowledgeable about the documents that are involved in the case and only argue what's in the court record. Now let's talk about clothing and backgrounds. I don't care where you are, you need to make sure your background is presentable and that you are presentable too. Wear a nice button-down shirt or a sweater. If you're going in person, wear dress pants. Put your best foot forward. In terms of background, you need to make sure that anything visible is acceptable to a judge. If you're going through a custody case, this is not the time to have beer bottles or wine bottles in the background. Be aware of what the court is going to see. Zoom hearings are here to stay for many courts, and I want you to be prepared. I see people making mistakes every day in their presentation with the court, and they could make it so much better with a little bit of help. Now, I didn't go to law school just to give technical tips about presentations over Zoom, but presentation matters. And so if you need help getting ready for your court hearing, work with a legal team that's experienced that can help you put your best foot forward. My legal team helps families every day seek the best outcome that they can in court hearings. Just give us a call if you're ready for help.